Hey, welcome back to Mr. Huin's tutorials. This is a really quick tutorial on how to change materials so it looks like timber. So if you have something that looks like this, just turned it to plastic so you can see what it looks like if it wasn't timber. Simply just go to modify, go to physical material, and this actually sets up the material to be the window's open up here, just expand it here. If it's closed, just expand it. And if you can't find it, just type in pine here, P-I-N-E, pine. And here it is here. All you do is just click and drag it onto your object. And that's how you assign the material. Okay. I'm going to also throw in another quick tutorial, and that is how to change the grain orientation if your textures aren't in the right orientation. So once you've done that, and this object is now pine, you can then go to texture map controls, right click on the object, texture map controls, go to box, and here you can actually rotate. So you can actually shift the textures over if you want to, and adjust all the surfaces, right? Because the whole material is pine. You can rotate it by simply finding the right axis you're after. That's probably not the one you're after, so don't use that one. Maybe it's this one. That's the way. Okay, so you do 90 degrees from there. The grain is now going in the right direction. Okay, you might want to shift it so the knot is not visible anymore. So I might move it so the knot's disappeared. And good enough for me. That looks just like pine. Hit OK. Pan around, have a look. There you go. This piece of timber looks more like the real grain orientation of that timber. Thank you very much for your time and attention.